everyone, it's Allie here from alliesblog.ca. So I know I haven't really been keeping up with my filming. Unfortunately, I haven't really been super into it. I don't know, I kind of go through stages and sometimes I don't really feel like filming, but I still really want to do my nails and I'm definitely still interested in it. I just kind of go through stages that I just don't really know what I want to do in my videos. I guess it's kind of like a writer's block, but with videos. So I'm hoping I'm going to get back into it, because I do still have a bunch of reviews that I could be doing, so I don't want to let those companies down. Because they do send me stuff to review on my channel, so I'm going to try and keep up with that. And I also been getting my Mani box from Beautometry, so I want to try and do that as well, because I haven't done the one from April. And yeah, I really need to get back into this, so I'm trying to think of a way that I can spark my interest and get back into my videos. So I want to apologize to all you guys, because I think a lot of you expect me to post and I kind of haven't been, and I feel bad about that because I do really like doing nail art. I don't know, I guess I've been busy with work and all that stuff and I just haven't gotten around to be doing my videos. So I apologize again. I'm really sorry about that, but I'm going to try and get back into it. I might be changing up my schedule and kind of changing up maybe the style of my videos. Like, I might not be doing like the same things like I did before, just because I'm kind of blocked in a little bit of a way. But anyway, so we're gonna go ahead and get started on this review. I will definitely be doing reviews still, because like I said, I still get sent products and stuff like that. So today I have a review from the Born Pretty store. So I have 4 different products that I'm going to review for you guys. If you do check out the Born Pretty store, don't forget to use my code. It's ALLEX31 and you will get 10% off. So definitely check that out. Born Pretty store has a ton of great stuff. Like, that is where I started with all my nail art, and yeah, it kind of gets a little bit addictive. So we're going to go ahead and I'm going to show you what products I got and I'm going to demo them for you. Alright, so we're going to start with this first polish here. This is the Born Pretty store Professional UV and LED Soak Off Color Coat. And this one is Destiny Fairy. I actually have the regular polish of that one too. I can't remember where it is though. Found it. It is a flaky polish. Oops, if it's going to focus. Come on. Focus, focus. So I have the flaky one that I have like that. This is just a regular polish, but also gorgeous. I really like this one. But this is a gel one, so you do have to use a lamp for that. So I'm going to show you what it looks like on a swatch stick. Ooh, it looks gorgeous. So I can't wait to try that. So I'm going to get out my swatch stick and we're going to try it out. So I'm just going to paint it in front of you here. It looks gorgeous already. It is a little bit on kind of the clear, transparent side, but you can always put something underneath. It is kind of the same idea as the other like regular polish, but I'm just kind of going over it, making sure everything is smooth. It looks pretty already, and I'm going to go ahead and cure that. Alright, so that is one coat, and I'm just going to do another coat quickly off camera. Alright, so I definitely like that. Wow, that is gorgeous. You can still kind of see a little bit of some clear, but I think if there's something underneath and it's actually on your nail, you'll be totally fine with 2 coats. Gorgeous, gorgeous polish. So now we're going to get into the next products. So the next ones kind of go all together. So right here I have the dual-ended magnetic nail stick. So it is a magnet and it has 2 sides. And it is obviously for your magnetic polish. I think it can be used with regular magnetic polish, gel magnetic polish, and I also have a powder that we're going to be testing out with this too. So I'm going to show you that. So here I have, this is the Cat Eye Nail Powder Magnetic Mirror whatever palette. Dust, and this is number 1. So this is actually a magnetic powder, which I have never tried before, so I am super excited because that will be cool. And I got like a purple, and then after that we're going to try this nail polish here. This is the Forever Young Nebula Chameleon Gel. This is a magnetic polish as well, so we're going to test out both of these with that magnet. So I think first we'll just do the nail polish on a swatch stick, and we'll use the magnet just because it's not as messy. So I'm not gonna do a background or anything for this, but on my other one I will. So we're just gonna test that out. And this kind of looks silvery, kinda. I don't remember it being this color, but we will see what it looks like. Kind of coming off very sheer right now. I don't remember ordering this color, but maybe it looks different with the magnet in it. So I always end up doing magnets for both coats, so we're gonna try it. Can you see it? Maybe I should have done it over black. Oh, but it definitely is working. We're gonna go ahead and cure that and we'll see what it looks like. So while that is curing, we're gonna try out this powder. So it says to apply the powder to a black base with the sponge, and then you're supposed to use the magnet before before you cure it. That's what I'm looking for. So there's that, and then we'll probably do another coat after. We're gonna try the other side of the magnet. And I don't know if it's doing anything. Did I not do it right? Alright, so I just decided to add a top coat, but while we were waiting, you can't really see this, but it did work with the magnet, but I think I'm going to try it over black. I'm just going to do black over this, and then we're going to do it again. This is kind of a first impressions video, so don't get mad at me, because I am trying all these products for the first time. Alright, so this is black and clear top coated, and we're going to try it again, and we'll see if this works better. I swear it said magnet in the name. I don't think it's doing anything. Well, the powder looks nice, but I'm not really seeing any magnets. Alright, so I missed something. You're supposed to actually mix the powder with your top coat. So I put the top coat over here. I'm just using Madame Glam's No Wipe top coat, and I mixed some of that powder in. And now I'm going to apply it to the nails. So it says you can do this as a prep to do what I did, and then you apply it over top. So I missed that part of the thing. Anyway, so we are going to apply this. I'm just going to use a different brush because I don't want this in my top coat. And we're going to try and see if this works. Alright, we'll get our handy dandy magnet out again. Okay, that works now. I got it. So, that definitely worked. I don't know if you can see it in the camera, but it definitely worked. It actually moves more than your regular ones. Alright, so I'm going to cure that. And then we're back with the other one, and I just painted it over the black. I don't know if I like this magnet. I do and I don't, but it kind of covers too much. Like it's just so strong. You can watch it move too much almost. Like I don't want the whole nail to be that way. Alright, we're going to cure it and we'll see. Alright, so the powder actually turned out kind of cool. I'm liking it. I definitely would try it a little bit different with the magnet, but it looks cool and it worked. Now that I figured out how to use it the right way. Same with this one, it actually worked well on the black. I'm not sure about the color over the black because you can't really see it super well, but it worked, so maybe just pick a different color next time. I'm not a huge fan of this color. I think I thought I picked something else. I'm not really sure. Anyway, so that is all I have for today. I definitely love this one here. I love how that polish turns out. It is gorgeous. I like the powder. I think it works cool. And it's kind of different. You can kind of make your own magnetic polish, or you can actually just use it as a powder, so that's cool too. The other polish worked out, but I just don't know if I like the color. The magnet is super strong compared to any other magnet that I've ever tried, so it kind of actually shifts the entire polish or whatever powder that you're using, which is cool because I've never had a magnet that strong. I'd be interested to try it with my other magnetic polishes and see what it does. But yeah, so that is my review / first impressions of my Born Pretty Store stuff. Thanks again, Born Pretty Store, for sending me these products. I hope you guys liked this video. Sorry it was kind of rambly here and there, but I was trying these out for the first time. And I always like to show you guys what my first tests are about. Anyway, so that is all I have for you today. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll see you next time. Thanks. Bye.